Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be learning about how you can clear the WeChat storage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is go to your home page and tap open your settings option. So once you open your settings, you just need to scroll down below and tap on the apps option. So once you tap it open, you can find the manage apps where you need to go and scroll down on your screen. So scrolling down through the options, you can find WeChat where you need to simply press and then press on the storage option. So once you do so, you can find the clear data option where you need to simply tap on and then click on the clear all data. So press OK and your WeChat storage will be cleared. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.